Hey there, Gino. How you doing? This is Manny from UPS Freight, the one that build websites on the side. We spoke on the phone. I just wanted to YouTube this video for you so you could see what it's all about. So as you can see, when I punch out tractor and trailer repair in New Jersey, and you get the map pack, these are the ones that come up. It's never the same because none of these have secure website. So I think you building a website would be a really great idea. You'd be always at the you might take all three spots right here. Like all these three spots might be yours, and you want to be found like somewhere here, like maybe number one, number three, like number three, number five, like multiple times in this first page here. And I think we can do this with a really good website. Because as you can see, I pulled up some of your competition. I know you're in Patterson and Syracuse. So starting with New York, right? This is one of the New York websites. As you can see right here, it's not a secure website. So he did it himself, I could tell. So when I drop it in my tools, there we go. And as you can see, he's got zero citations, zero trust flow. It's really not ranking anything. You could, I don't know what it cost to build this one, but no matter what, it might as well have been free because it's bringing him exactly zero value. As you can see on this tool, as you can see, there he goes. Give it a second. Sorry about that. Give it a second. Um, there we go. It's coming. Sorry about this. So as you can see, here it is and coming in. He's got he's got four ULs out of 65,000 check-ins. Four URLs, the domain name not being found, no backlinks. So like I said, it's bringing him zero trust traffic value. Zero. He's got no keywords on his website. Got no content. If you look at his website, going back to his website, he's got nothing but pictures. No content. No keywords. Nothing. So we take this other one. This is the one from Syracuse. This is one. See, he's got a lot of content. A little bit, but it's still not enough. But if we take his another one, not secure website. You want a secure website. Google likes secure. So we take his and we drop it in here. Here we go. And while that one's doing it, let's go to this one. All right. There we go. So he's got 26 citations. So he's got some links going back to his website, but zero trust flow. Again, it has to do with that website not being secure. So there's not a lot of trust flow going to his website. And again, it's a one page website. He's got no traffic value, no keywords, and you could tell he built himself. Going back to the other, here we go. It's bringing him a value of $42. That's how much this website is worth to him. He's out of Syracuse. I don't know if you know him. He'd be easy to beat. So going to the next one. This one is in Patterson, so I guess it's around the corner from you. And the way I found him was just tractor trailer in Patterson, New Jersey. But he at least has a secure website. But again, no continent, just a bunch of pictures. But let's see if his website's any better. So I see 22 citations, no trust flow. So, and even though he has a secure website, it's still not a lot of trust flow. Where his backlinks are coming from, they're not very secure. It's probably from like repair, trailer repair stuff and stuff like that. Again, not bringing any value. Oh wait, that's the Syracuse. It didn't go. Okay, I didn't drop it in there. Why not? Good question. Here we go. So here we go. So he's got like 50 backlinks. So he's got a 13 URL, but a 1.5 DR, which is that's like the trust flow. Like I said, no trust flow, but is a value of $100, which is nothing. That's not the kind of traffic you want coming in. Mostly being found by his name, which, like I said, the only way I found him was when I put in tractor trailer repair in Paterson, New Jersey. So, and then here's B&L. B&L and Carteret, I believe they're your competition. So when we drop them, again, as you can see their website, they have some content, not enough, mostly pictures. They got no other pages, just a one page. So, and we drop it. So we're gonna drop them. B&L. There we go. The other one. While we wait for that one. B&L. Boom. Here we go. 26 citations. No trust flow. Nobody got trust flow. So easy to beat. Easy to rank. This one has got a 27 URLs. The domain name is 12, so it's a little better. Out of only 15,000, which is less than the other one, and they're being found, and it's already given them more value. So their website is worth $770 a month. It's actually bringing them a lot of traffic value. But when you look at their keywords, which, let's see, so getting back to this, oops, there you go, came back. So using their keyword, a lot of it is B&L towing, so they're using their name. But look at this one right here, truck tire repair, 1800 volume over 22 of KD. You want to get as close to zero as possible on the KDs, and you want to be the volume as high as possible. Like this, that's how, like right here, truck repair, 60 over zero. So they got some keywords in there, but mostly is their name. But a lot of these keywords is what you want to target. Like this one right here, NJ truck roadside assistance, 100 over 5. Truck tire service, 400 over 20. Truck tire repair shop, 150 over 4. These are all good. So what I propose, like getting to your website, again, you're like them. You have a one page. It's not secure, as you can see, not secure website. So your home page, actually, to me, your about page, all this content right here, all this content right here, I would put that on your homepage. I read it, and to me, that's more like a homepage. But I would use that targeting keywords that are going to track in Paterson, New York, in New Jersey and New York. And like as you can see, the homepage should contain about 1,000 to 2,000 words of content using, I mean, about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content using targeting these keywords like affordable track, see 30 over M. Look, tractor and trailer, 500 over 1. Road assistance, 200 over 5. Tractor road service repair, 80 over 2. Truck tire road service, 100 over 7. So look at this one, semi-trailer repair, 350 over 0. That's a big one. Maybe so I would put like in the homepage, like, like make a paragraph around semi truck repair. That's going to bring in a lot of value. Trailer repair solution, that's going to bring a lot of service. And then your service pages, I would have so like a page for the trailer, and then like 500 to 700 words on trailer repairs using all these keywords. Maybe tractor repairs, talk about tractors, pictures, and about 5 to 700 words of tractor repairs using these keywords. Then I would have the location, instead of having one page, have like one page. You have two locations, so I would put a whole page for Paterson and using keywords affordable truck and trailer, Quality Collision, Patterson, New Jersey. Patterson Trailer. Somehow work these words in the keywords so you could be found on your local search also. Syracuse. This will be targeting New York, so we do affordable tractor trailer. Truck repair service of Syracuse, New York. These are the keywords, and I would look for more, but these you want to target keywords that hit New York, New Jersey. So yeah, so you'd have like one. You probably need, I don't know how many services you offer, but maybe I'd say about three to four, five, six. So I'd say a website about 8 or 9 pages would be enough to rank you up high. And believe me, you'd beat all of them. I mean, as you can see, not one of these trucking companies are ranking. So with a good website, people look up tractor and trailer in New Jersey, boom, your name's gonna be the first one on the list. Tractor trailer repair in New York, because of your Syracuse shop, you're gonna pop up right there, boom. So if you're interested in talking more about this, give me a call, or within a week I'll give you a call and we'll discuss a little more. And let me know what you think about this video. And if you're interested in getting the website out, I think it'd be a really good idea for you because you're gonna target. You definitely be found because none of these trailers, none of these trailers that we're seeing in the pack right now are ranking good websites. So they'll be so easy to beat, and we'll be able to get all that traffic. We'll be able to take all the traffic from all of them and send it your way. So with that, I'm gonna let you go now. Enjoy the rest of your holiday, and let me know what you think, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.